This adorable style is Nina by Belle Tress, and she is just the cutest bob. She's in Cappuccino Latte. So when I got her, of course, she has these pieces that are just gonna kind of flop in your face. So we are gonna work on those. This is the monofilament cap. Isn't that beautiful? She's from the Luxe collection. Oh, so nice. We have this wefting in the back, closed wefting, and that is to help stabilize her. And then we have this extended nape, which is lovely, Velcro straps, and this lace in the Luxe wigs, it goes all the way around the ear tabs. Oh, so nice. When you're trying to give any kind of lift to a monofilament, it is a little bit difficult because even if you get some lift in her when you use like the blow dryer trick would be holding her upside down and putting some heat in here and then letting her cool like that. You can get lift, but in my experience on monofilament tops and hand-tied caps, they do just fall down anyway. So I don't mind that, especially for a bob. I don't really want a lot of lift, but if you did, you could do that. Maybe if you put some hairspray in her, some texturizing spray, help you keep a little more lift in her. I don't like to add any of that stuff to my wigs, but you can do that. So what I would do to her is just make those pieces stay out of my face. That's what I'm most concerned about. So to do that, I will still hold her upside down, and then I'm gonna spray hot air around this side to keep it out of my face. I'm going to start with doing that and then see how much that's improved that problem. You can do that as many times as you think you need to, and then you want to just really let her completely cool down. If you have a cool shot on your blow dryer, you can use that. Okay, so we have pulled her a little bit off our face and giving her just a little more volume there. So there's a few ways that you can train the hair to stay off your face. We're going to use the blow dryer and just hold her back and do that. You can put her in a clip afterwards just to let her set. You can also spray her with water and then pull those back and let that sit like overnight. You can also hold up here and just do a little bit of rubbing, and that heat and movement of those fibers can help hold her back a little. I just love this one. She's so low density. You can just pull her behind your ear so easy. Oh, she is just the cutest bob, and I picked her because I love how she's kind of got staggered layering right here. I think it makes her edgy. So I'm going to choose to use a little blow dryer. Now, when you blow dry to keep this off your face, you'll also want to blow dry these with some heat and keep these back ones off your face too, because if you just do the front, this is going to push all that forward anyway. So you'll want to kind of start back here and keep her up. It's also a monofilament top, so you can part her anywhere you want and then do this trick. So when she's cooled down, just take those out and look at how much better that is off my face. So good. Now I probably will want to just kind of, I don't want her to be fluffy up here. I just want to be able to keep her off my face. So, oh, that is just perfect. She's perfect. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. Oh, I love her.